Sarasota, there's something
you
happening
might just need
there
to dip in inside right quick. But yeah, you can see kind of some of the dark clouds that are around Armature Works. You can see this one's off the distance. This is actually moving up that way. But what we're looking at is what's down that way, and that's what's going to be moving its way up. What you're seeing, again, is not too bad of a day. 81 feels like 86, so that's good news. So at least it's not too hot out there. But look at this. This is what is coming towards Armature Works. This is right now over St. Pete. And again, this is moving from south to north over the bay. So eventually, this is what's coming. And you can see that right here. So Armature Works is over here, St. Pete here, and you can see that band here. They might luck out. It might miss them. It's going to be close. But again, you can see it's not very big, but they're going to get wet if it does hit them. So satellite radar shows, again, there's your area low pressure. There is your circulation. And our weather impact alert goes till 8 this evening. Again, things are going to wind down and then pick right back up for your Monday. Same thing. So there it is. As you can see, tropical depression 2, 30-mile-per-hour winds. Central pressure is at 1,011, moving to the north-northwest at 1 mile an hour. But you can see here, look at this, 60, 60. Some of the forecast models have it staying out over water. If it does that, we could potentially see it get a little bit stronger. Again, it only needs 74 to become a Cat 1. So we'll see what happens with that. A lot of your forecast models push it on shore here, and others have it going a little bit further. And stick around at 4:30 for the weather show and break it down for you, because I'll show you some of the other forecast models. But you see them here with your spaghetti plots, where you see some of them, again, staying out over the water. Most of them have them going anywhere from Pensacola all the way over at Lake Pontchartrain over to New Orleans. So we'll see what happens there. But again, looks like more than likely this one could be a tropical storm. That's what the 80% is. Here's your European model. And again, there it is. There's your circulation. This one doesn't show it getting too strong. And again, there it is, pushing its way in around Mobile Bay and coastal Mississippi. So look at this one, though. This is the graph. This is our in-house forecast model. And look at that. You can see by the time we go to Monday night, that one's a tropical storm. If that one stays offshore, that right there by the time we get to Wednesday, 4 p.m., would be a Category 1 hurricane. By the way, Bertha is the next name. But again, what we're looking at is how does this impact us? It's the same as what we've had. We're just going to continue to get that. And that is the shower activity. There's 8 p.m. And again, as I mentioned, things kind of wind down. Don't completely dry out, but they wind down. And there's tomorrow. Again, we'll see the potential heavier along the coast as it moves away. There's 5 p.m. for the evening commute. And again, that winds down. And again, not completely drying out for Monday night, but Tuesday looks to be relatively dry with a few isolated showers out there. So the weather impact alert, again, goes through 8 p.m. on Monday. Forecasted rainfall, again, as you can expect, you're going to see a lot more along the coast and maybe a few spots inland. Widespread, about another ½ inch to 1.5 inches. Some isolated areas, maybe another 2 to 3 inches of rain. And again, that'll be some of those bands moving in. So we get a little bit of break of the rain. Tonight will be about 79. Again, not completely dry, but again, kicked right back off tomorrow. Rain continues. Again, isolated, heavy at times, and not a good boating day. Small craft advisory. The bay is rough tomorrow. Look at those winds out of the south, 20 to 30 knots. Seas at 5 to 9 feet. You're going to stay off the water tomorrow. There's that 7-day forecast. Again, one more day of the weather impact alert, and then the rain chances really go down, especially for the second half of next week. That heat comes back to the low, then mid-90s.